How to get money to create an infinite banking account. Did you know that there is a way to get money to create an infinite banking system for yourself easily and effortlessly? Hi, my name is Sunny Mitra. For the best infinite banking and financial advice, subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit that notification bell so that you are notified when we upload new videos. There are a few simple steps that you need to take in order to get money to create an infinite banking system in your life. You need to uncover what they are and how you can benefit the most from them. By the end of this video, you will know exactly how you can prepare yourself and your family to tackle your finances using whole life insurance, because it's all about becoming your own banker and controlling your finances. Yes, first of all, you need to have a good, solid reason to create your own banking system in your life. Everything in our life starts with a why. As they say, if you have a why, you will find a how. People always come to me and ask, Sunny, if creating an infinite banking is so easy to do, why doesn't everybody take advantage of it? And my answer is always the same, because it's also so easy not to do. Secondly, you need to understand the concept of infinite banking, and the best way to do is to read the book named Becoming Your Own Banker by Mr. Nelson Nash. Education is super expensive, but it's one of those things that we don't want to sacrifice if you don't have the cash. Infinite banking is the process of using dividend-paying whole life insurance policies to finance everything in our life. You are limited only to your imagination and what you can do with infinite banking. Anytime you spend cash, you can make money from it by understanding the concepts in this book. Once you read this book and find it out for yourself how much your creditors are taking away from you every month in the form of interest on all the debts that you have on your credit cards, student loan, auto loan, mortgage, etc., it will surprise you. Then you will know how much power you could have in your hands if all you did was to recapture those interests every month that are leaving your portfolio. And once you found out your big why and educate yourself about infinite banking, from that point it becomes pretty easy to get it through those 3 rules of financial freedom given by Brian Tracy: savings, investment, and insurance. The rule of savings says pay yourself first. You need to make sure that out of every paycheck you pay yourself first. We always do the exact opposite to it. Once we get paid, we start paying out our bills and all those other people, hoping and wishing that at the end some money will be left for myself, which unfortunately never happens. Since it's you who is making the money, don't you think it's your prime responsibility to take care of yourself first? You should be the first in the line. Make a system from which at least 10% goes into your savings account automatically without you touching it. Once you put it on an autopilot, the money will keep on moving easily and effortlessly. Second, the rule of investment says pay yourself interest. 20% of our income pays interest. You need to make sure that your savings is always on a good rate of interest, and a whole life insurance pays a 4% guaranteed compound interest year after year, with the possibility of getting a dividend check at the end of the year on the top of it. And the third, the rule of insurance says never lose money. Now is the insurance component which tells you to make sure that you never lose money. And how do you make sure that you will never lose money? By recapturing all those interests that you are paying out every month to your creditors. Did you know that we spend about 20% of our income on interest payments to someone else so that they can make money on us? If you become a student of infinite banking and just took care of this leak in your financial bucket, I promise that alone will save you anywhere between $300,000 to $500,000 in your lifetime. Always remember, this is your money that you are paying out in the form of interest, which you can very well be paying to your own family bank. So ask yourself, why not use our whole life insurance policy in the first place and pay ourselves back the principal and interest? Leave a comment below with your experiences regarding your debts, and if you want to learn how you can use your whole life insurance to tackle other debts, use the link above to see exactly how we use infinite banking to pay our credit card debts or any other debts for that matter. If you are seeing this video now and you have a lot of debt, using your whole life insurance policy won't take over all the debt immediately or pay for college or credit cards outright unless you have significant amount of cash. But you can create a plan to take over your debts using your whole life insurance policy so that you can make those payments back to yourself instead of the institution. By doing this, you won't have to worry about paying out 20% from your paycheck in interest alone to your creditors. So again, remember, regardless if you have credit card debt now or you are planning on taking on infinite banking by raising some money, we can help you create a plan where you are either taking it over now or building up a plan where you can pay for it in the future. If you like this video, let us know by liking it and leaving a comment for us. Make sure you share with a friend and subscribe to our channel. And remember to own your tomorrow by converting liabilities into assets.